Hello guys, welcome to GameXGT. So today we are going to see how you can downgrade the NVIDIA graphics driver. So to do that, go to the official NVIDIA website. I will drop a link in the description. Then open the drivers section and so earlier until recently actually NVIDIA used to provide the user with the older graphics driver in the search result itself, but for some reason they stopped doing that. So what you have to do here is, instead of clicking on search, you have to scroll down and click on beta and older drivers. So after you click on it, a new web page will pop up where you have to provide your graphic card details, and I recommend you select this recommended and certified driver in this scroll down menu and click on search. After you do that, search result will pop up. It will contain multiple entries. So these are all older driver versions. Let me show you my existing. My existing driver is basically the latest driver, but it was causing some issues with games, particularly Detroit Become Human. So that's why I decided to make this video. So what you have to do is you have to select the older driver version from this list and click on it. After clicking on it, it will open a download web page. Yeah, so you have to click on download twice, and once you do that, it will start downloading the file. So this file is basically a executable setup. It's a .exe file. So what you have to do here is click on this file and click on run. Yeah, click on run. And after you do that, after you click on the run, it will actually open the setup. So you have to just give its installation location. Click on OK. Then it will start doing its stuff, configuration and installation. Yeah, so now this interface will pop up on your screen. So now it is checking the system compatibility. Actually, it's checking whether the system is compatible with the particular NVIDIA drivers. So now this will take some time. It will finish by itself, so don't worry. Okay, so now you have to agree and continue to the license agreement offered by NVIDIA. This is an official setup, by the way. Okay, so Express, select the Express recommended installation settings and click on continue. So it will start installing the actual drivers. It will take some time. So as you can see, I have downloaded the older version of the NVIDIA GeForce Game Ready drivers, and you can even update to the latest version if you want to. So that's it for today guys. Like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned to GameXGT.